What's going on, guys? Just another day in the kitchen. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, 2019. Before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram and all social media at We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys stay up to date. But enough about that. As you guys can see, this is going to be another gnarly sneaker review. I'm joined here by my homie D-Lo. Things are about to get cooking real soon. You're going to get used to seeing us whether you like it or not. I'm sorry. But before I talk even further, let's go ahead and jump into the sneaker review. These are the Jordan 1 Crimson Tints. As always, you guys can go ahead and use these videos as a legit check. The box will always be authentic, as you guys can see. If you have any questions, always leave them in the comments. But yeah, as you guys can tell, this is a pretty standard Jordan box, Nike box. Nothing too crazy, but we're almost done with the box, so let's let the sneaker speak for itself. Glee, these are fire. Wow, almost dropped it. That's how hot they are. Man, these really pop in person. I don't know if you guys can tell if the camera's picking it up, but these are something else. I really don't know why these are so slept on right now, because pairs are sitting and really they should be on feet. So just a closer look, it does look like we get two colors, of course, this turquoise color, I guess you could call it, and pink. But again, I think we need to just let this Jordan speak for itself. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of it. Yeah, guys, and last but not least, I wanted to go ahead and include some on-feet pictures and video just so you guys can see what it looks like styled and on feet, of course. D-Lo's over here modeling them for us. He's doing a great job. But let us know what you guys think in the comments. Were you able to cop them? Did you cop them? Are these a pair that you're going to be wearing all the time? Or what do you guys think? As always, thank you guys for cooking with us. It's been a pleasure. We've got some big plans coming up. We want to do a lot more videos and a lot of vlog style stuff, so if you guys made it this far, we appreciate you watching and hope you guys are excited for that. As always, thank you guys for cooking with us. Stay safe and peace.